tore the subfloor out in here because, as you know from our videos, that it was rotten bad. So I'm underneath the house, and what I'm going to do is scrape all this out with this trusty multi-tool. Cut all this so it's flush. So when we put down the other piece of wood that's going to come in here, it'll be fresh and new. And I'll show you, by taking that video, what it looks like from here. This is where I'm at, underneath the house. This is a vent for the HVAC. There's the tub. There's Mr. Steve sweating.
My ass off.
And there's water lines and all that. So right there, and I'm going to do a close-up by Steve's foot, you can see that that's subfloor. And then when he takes the camera, he's going to show you that there was a little crack in this tub. And I tell you, if you don't fix anything to do with water being able to destroy, especially this particle board type stuff, this is what I'm going to be cutting out. All of this so that we can put a fresh piece of plywood. And you can see over there as well, that's in front of the faucet, so there was a drip there. This is why it's important to do walkthroughs through your houses every 3 to 6 months, so you can catch crap like this and not have to worry about paying all this money to fix it later. But that's the crack right there was epoxy. It's like a, it almost looks like Play-Doh. And
regardless, it's ineffective. But here's the subfloor under the tub, so you can see what it looks like.
yeah, and the epoxy, if you're stepping, and that's right where a person is stepping. You want it looking at you?
I'm okay.
Oh.
I'll let you be the star.
Yeah, when that'll flex, and right where that hole is mended, that's exactly where a person stands, and so much weight after time is going to flex, and that's what it's doing because the subfloor is bad. So now we have to pull this out, and I don't want to spend another $300 or $400 on a cheap plastic mobile home tub. Maybe if we have to do that, we could put $150 iron or metal tub that you can get at Lowe's. Thank God it's not wood, because right now we're paying triple the cost on wood for a sheet of OSB, which is, how thick was it, Steve? 1932?
1932.
Yeah. It's now costing us $60. So we got, how many sheets yesterday? 5, and it was over $300.
And they have some plywood sheets up to $85 a sheet.
And these are 4 feet by 8 feet. So prices are going to have to go up regardless on our rent, on our rent to owns, because materials is costing a lot right now. So let me get back to business, and I'll show you